I'm back with a walkthrough of the completed album, and I've got it all embellished. I cut out the Spring Fever title from the book. If you'll remember, we had the Spring Fever title. I do that quite often with these books, and then that's a nice hard piece for your title. So anyway, I thought that looked good on there. And then I cut out the butterfly and put it on. These are flowers. They're felt, and I got them from Temu for, I think I got a bag of them for like $6 or something like that. And they work really well on these albums because you want something a little smaller. And this is so funny. I forgot to put the ribbon down before we put the second cardstock on, so I'll show you what I did because I do like to have a little ribbon tie there. And I didn't realize till after I did it. I'm like, oops, forgot that. So I cut out one of the ephemera pieces. I put it on cardstock, and then to make it even thicker, and put it down on top of the ribbon. And then I put the coin pocket in here. And I like to, this is like a little solution I have found. I got these, they're little roses. They came with, I should have kept them here. They came with the pearls, also the flat back pearls. I got them from Hobby Lobby, but they work really nice. They'll stick, but they also lift up easily. So you can put them on here and it's your little closure. And then we got the back, so that way we didn't have to glue this down. We could stick it in here and we get to see that pretty back of it. And then this is, of course, one of the pockets I showed you. And then I have one of the tags. And I like to put cardstock on the tags, and I came up with a solution I'm going to show in the next video of how to just go ahead and put your whole page of ephemera. You put down cardstock and then double-sided sticky paper, peel it off, put your ephemera down, and then fussy cut. And it works out really good. I'm going to show that on another video. But then we have our little title page, and you could write "This book belongs to," and put your name in there. This is like a little, so see, I use them to hold things down. I made a little pocket out of that star. I love to make pockets out of things. And then we have one of our sayings, "Bloom where you are planted." I thought she was pretty enough. I didn't add anything there. Plenty of room for journaling in this one. And this, I just put down the title or the saying, "March in like a lion, out like a lamb. Spring has sprung." And I put that on sticky, can't think of words today. I hate when I do that. The little, I know you know exactly what they are. Lift them up a little bit. Dots, sticky dots. Okay, and then this kind of holds in our tag so it doesn't fly all over the place. But I did put some cardstock on the back of that one because now I do my books, all of my books are the 8.5 by 11s. They're all premium color, so they're on really good quality paper when you get them from Amazon, but it's still not cardstock. So sometimes if you want them a little thicker, you could put them on cardstock. And then I stuck all the extra things that I didn't use down in our pocket. But of course, once you're actually using this journal, you will put some of your memorabilia down in there. And I just like to sometimes put a tag here, and that way it sticks up a little bit when we have our book closed. Hello, May. Let's bloom together. Got our bicycles. Oh, I'll put a little arrow there for your journaling. And this is a sample. I had to do this really, really quick. So this was a fast job because I'm doing an in-person class at the end of this month, and I have to get the sample to the lady that's holding it. So I need to get that there today. I told her I would. Then I lied, my little charm came off. It didn't come off in my other book, but it came off of this one, and I just don't have time to fuss with it again. Again, I put one of those roses to kind of hold that in place so it doesn't slide out. Stuck this one down so that the ribbon would be showing a little bit. Fresh beginnings, new possibilities. Another pocket area. And I took the florals and I inked them with pink and green, since there's pink and green in here. And I made a little pocket out of it by just gluing the 3 sides down. So I glued around here. And then this is a little bouquet that I also inked up. And I love this little sign, Welcome Spring. That was part of the ephemera. Little page there. And we have our album. Hello, April. Spring, a lovely reminder of how beautiful change can be. And then my other cover for my ribbon there. And then we got some tags tucked down in there. That is the album. I hope you enjoyed it.